Okay, this is the buffet style food at the funeral, at the reception. I hope the guys in Irete can see how orderly this thing is. Nobody's rushing, jumping over each other to get some food. People are nicely seated. There's the food and the drinks. More than enough to go around. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hi. And that's the pastor over there.